क्या आप जानते हैं कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा समोसा किस तरह बनाया जाता है? आज हम आपको इसकी हैरत अंगीज फैक्ट्री मैन्युफैक्चरिंग दिखाएंगे।
आइए चलते हैं इस जदीद फैक्ट्री के अंदर, जहां खामे अज्जा से दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा समोसा तैयार किया जाता है।
Quality looks excellent on this batch. Noted. We can move the maida to the staging area.
Looks good. Make sure all the peels are gone.
Yes, the consistency is perfect. Okay, pull the left strap slowly.
Got it. Making sure the frame is aligned. The temperature is stable and the weight is confirmed.
Excellent, it's ready for presentation.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. A little more to the left, steady now. Wow, look at the size of that thing.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The first cut into the world's largest samosa.